That's all for everything. I'm Des the One.
And I'm Young Sefa.
We hope you are coping well with this current lockdown situation. We are here today to help you with some handy tips to keep you safe.
That's right, Des. Beginning with the 2-meter rule.
If you absolutely must be outside of your couple, then please try best to keep your distance.
2 meters is roughly about 6.5 feet, right, Des?
Is it? Yes. About the equivalent to x to the power of y, get rid of 5, E equals MC hammer. About the equivalent to a couch. Yeah, that's a couch. Or 15 steak and cheese pies. Or Roger Tuivasa-Sheck diving over the try line.
Basically, this is the safe recommended distance.
But you might as well keep as far away from each other as possible.
Remember, if you do cough, cough into your elbow. No, like this.
Oh.
Anyways, remember, don't cough near other people.
That's right, young Sefa. Don't near cough to here, but far cough over there. Far cough. Yeah, near cough. Far cough. During the lockdown, don't be an idiot. Don't go outside and play brush or touch with your friends.
That's right. Stay home and play with yourself. Well, what I mean is, there are plenty of games to play and things to do when you're stuck at home. Washing my hands. While screwing in a light bulb. TikTok effect hand thing. Kenny G's trumpet.
Anyway, learn to juggle. Learn to juggle toilet paper. Learn a musical instrument. 1, 2, 3, I wanna wash your hands. Spend time with your little sister. Or not.
I have to go now.
Where?
Anywhere?
Where? Lockdown. You don't breathe, Sefa.
Exercise.
Woo!
Nice, man. Did it. No judging. Come on, man.
Quiet.
And so remember, self-isol inside your bubble does not have to be boring.
Have fun, be safe, and be nice to one another.
Learn a new languages. Clean up your room. Exercise or jazzercise.